Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to use the Binance app in 2025, like from setting up your account to buying your first crypto. I will keep it simple and beginner friendly. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, when you download and install the Binance application from Google Play Store or App Store to your device, you need to basically create your account over here. In order to create your account, you need to have your email address, your phone number, and a password. After that, you need to verify your Binance account with the help of your ID. So once you have done that, your Binance account will be ready to buy and sell the cryptos. So in order to buy the cryptos, you will need to have USDT in your account. So first of all, you need to buy crypto. So you are going to see the buy crypto option here on the home page. So you can tap on it and enter the amount of USD that you want to spend in order to buy USDT. With the help of USDT, you can purchase other cryptos. But if you directly want to purchase any of the cryptos, you can also select it by tapping on this drop down menu here in the bottom. So by default, USDT will be selected, but you can also select Ethereum, Bitcoin, or any other cryptocurrencies. After that, you need to select how do you want to make this payment. With the help of the card is selected by default. So you can either select it or you can select any of the wallets like Google Wallet or Apple Wallet. And then on the next page, you need to basically conclude your payment. So once you have done that, you are going to get your crypto by tapping on this assets tab here in the bottom right hand corner. This is going to give you the overall overview of the assets that you have here in your account. If you want to view the transaction history, you can tap on this icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and you can select the type of history you want to get. You can also tap on the option of trade. With the help of it, you can purchase, buy, or sell your cryptos directly on the spot. You can also trade the futures here by tapping on the futures tab in the bottom. So you can, this way you can start using Binance application very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.